And then when we shoot the scene, oh guys, I mean, we're playing as ourselves, so how you gonna react, what you gonna say, it's just you. So there wasn't really a script to go by. Actually, became better pa nga. Ang dami mga scenes na mas kumanda palalo dahil mas natural yung mga yung mga batuhan namin ng linya.
That's interesting, no? So, walang masyadong maraming mga cuts while you were doing this?
Not much. Yeah, and most of the things we do, maybe 1, 2, the most is 3 takes. And there were so many cameras, each of us had cameras. The hardest part was to make sure, kasi ngayon hindi na kami artista, pati camera kami na rin eh. So we have to memorize the lines of, sino may mabilihin niya next, so dapat nakatutok. Yung ilaw, yung flashlight, hindi pwede sa mukha. So there's a lot of factors that you have to, take into consideration. But I think it was a really fun experience. Parang na-feel ko talaga parang kaming vlogger. Parang, kaya pala natin maging YouTubers, ha? Pero, yeah.
Especially for the voice, so wala na, because you're as artista, syempre you have an image to project, diba?
That's correct, yes.
I'm so manly, I'm brave,
yes, yeah.
But, paano ba yun? Pumasok din ba sa isip niyo?
No, well, yeah, but, I mean, if you're in the most haunted place in Taiwan, in an abandoned hospital, and being attacked by these entities, parang kahit sino naman, diba, will really have a breaking point at lalabas na naging totoo. But as I said, it's also an adaptation of our own characters. So, it's still a movie, it's still a film. So, syempre sa totoong buhay, pag may mga mangyayari na masama na, original ako, I'm being smart, I'm just gonna get the hell out of there, di ba? Yeah. Pero syempre, for cinematic purposes, itutuloy natin, and, we make the wrong decisions to make the things more.
So, for Alex and Rob, just tell us how authentic naman are you, in the movie? How much of yourselves were you, like Enrique told us?
Well, me personally, very, very konti lang yung pinagkaiba ko from Alexa. Sobrang konti lang. In real life, I would be out of a group. Ako talaga yung lagi nagsasabing, ituloy natin. Magkakota ba kayo? Ayaw nyo na? Bakit pa tayo lumipad kung magkukwit lang kayo, when times get rough? So ako palagi yung nagpo-push na matapos yung what we set out to do, kahit na baka mapahama. So, in real life naman, I don't think I would let it get to that point where people are harmed na. Yeah. So, I think yun lang yung pinagkaiba ko from Alexa. But everything else that you will see, that's really me. Yeah.
With regards to the authenticity, I think for us mostly, kasi there was a lot of first time, madami kaming natagtag na hindi, yun nga, dami changes na nagbago on while we were there. A lot of ideas came into picture, a lot of changes with whatever we're gonna do. So it's really, it was unpredictable for me. And ako nga po tumitili na